Okay, so I recognize the fact that I am not here to answer your questions, so I want to make sure you know exactly what you're doing in class, and just to give you a little bitty reminder on what you're working on. So I'm going to show you one of each of these things that we're doing, and then I'll make sure to show you at least 2 of our order of operations questions that's the other part of your packet. I miss you guys. I know that you would rather me be there in person, and I promise you I would much rather be there as well. So let's look at this up. So we're trying to simplify this expression. Right now we've got it in expanded form, and we're not going to get it to standard form because it says you do not have to solve. We just want it in exponent form. So if we're looking at this as exponent form, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 multiples of 6. So I know that my base is going to be 6. And my exponent, my number that it is to the power of, is going to be 9 because I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So make that 9 up above the 6 and just a little bit smaller. So that's all you're doing on these 4 questions. So we're going to simplify, and that means you're actually going to solve the other side. Now, I'm going to do the one that you're probably thinking, what on earth? Why, Miss Rust? Why have you put something to the 76th power? I do not want to multiply something 76 times. Well, think about it this way. 0 to the power of anything. What do you think that's going to be? Well, let's think about it. 0 times 0. Oh, that's going to give me 0. So if I put 0 to the power of 10, to the power of 76, to the power of 267, the answer is always going to end up being 0. I know for a fact you can figure out 7 to the power of 2 and 10 to the power of 6. So good luck, you guys. Let's look at some prime factorization very quickly. I would like to look at the factorization of 47. Now, 47, I do not think that I can divide that. Oh, actually, not sure why I chose 47. I do not believe Miss Rust thought this through very well. I do not think that, I think 47 might be a prime number. I think she meant to write 48. So what you're going to do, hopefully you're watching this video and you can let the rest of the class know. You get to cross that on out. You get one less question. Let's look at 89. Now 89. Hmm. 89 also does not have a factorization. You get to cross both of those out. Now let's say this had been the prime factorization of 48. If it had been 48, then we know we could have put a 2 in there. And we would say that 2 times 24 gives us 48, and divide again by 2, and that gives us 12. 2, that gives us 6. 2, and that gives us 3. So we end up with 2 to the 4th power by 3, or 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. I'm pretty sure at this point you guys have had a lot of practice with prime factorization, so hopefully it should not be terribly hard. I am going to double check and see that 137 does have a prime factorization because I am not currently sure that it does. So if we think about it, 137 divided by 4, 6. You know what? 137 also doesn't have a prime factorization. So you guys got really, really lucky. You get to X these all out. Just do the prime factorization of 49, which I've already done because it was on your homework. All right, y'all have a great day. I would love to see if you maybe want some extra bonus points, because I have cards to give you bonus points. Maybe you create your own prime factorization. That would be awesome. All right, I'm gonna make the next video. Bye, guys.